And now, if we are here in the first task, you can find each task started with specific ID. So this is one, this is the first task, two, second task, and etc. Okay, let's we say this is task A, and this is task B, and the third is task C. This for 1 day, 2 days, and 3 days. Okay, as we see here, each task have start and finish. Especially this task, it's have another start because we already selected it. If we say it's from 9, so all the tasks started from the 9 of December. Because I create this video in 9 of December, so, and the other tasks 2 days and 3 days, it's already started, but it's not written here the start date. But the problem, not to write the task, not to write the duration. This is not our focus now. First of all, if you try to execute in a project during the week or during the months or during a year, there is a holiday days, okay, and there is Sunday is taking as a vacation, maybe repeat it every week. For example, here in Arabic country, you can say Friday it's a holiday. So, how can we apply this? This is mean we speak about calendar, and each project have its own calendar. Depend on the tasks, depend on the country, depend on the culture for the area you are living inside it. So you can go to project, change working time. You can find here for calendar, there is a standard calendar. Standard calendar, there is a legend here. This legend tell you white is working day and gray is non-working day, and also the highlighted by light green, it's the exception days. So if we sit here, we can find it is non-working day. If we are here, it's working day, and the working day started from 8 to 11 p.m. and from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. So this is one. Second, there is a night shift. Night shift is considered non-working day on Sunday, just like that, highlighted by gray, and all other days is a working day. It's from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. Okay, and 24 hour, it's continuous working, all of it working days from 11 to 11. Okay, but we need to have another calendar. For example, I wanted to say I need to have a calendar, each Friday is a vacation. How can I do this? You can go to create new calendar at your right side. Okay, create new calendar. This calendar, it must have a name, so you can write a name for the calendar and create new base calendar or make a copy. I will make a copy. Make a copy from the standard calendar, okay, and I will rename this calendar by my name, Anwar. I will click on OK. After you click on OK, you find it's the same standard calendar. Sunday and Saturday are vacation, and this is working day, but I need to change all of this. In order to change this calendar, you can go to option. Week started on Saturday, as we say here. Okay, so this is the start of the week. Working default start time, it's from 7, okay, and default end time, it's from 7 p.m. Okay, after that, how many hours per day? We can say 10 hours per day. Per week, it will be 60. Days per month, it's 6 multiplied by 4, it's 24. And after that, schedule option for the project, it's a project 1, and I will press OK. But nothing happened. Actually, you can find here Saturday is non-working day, Sunday is non-working day, so nothing happened. Just they modify the arrangement for the days. So what we will do now, just go to work weeks. There is exception, there is work weeks, and double click. You can find Saturday, Sunday, Monday, the days of the week. From this you can write it the working hour from 2, and this can be for all days just by press shift and select. So we will select set days for a specific working time, and we say Saturday is working day, Sunday is working day. Just we press shift and left click. Monday working day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So we'll set all of this set days for specific working days. We can write here from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. and from, there is a point here, take care, to 7 p.m. Okay, so now we select all of this as our working days, and for Friday it's non-working day. So we can see here you found Friday in gray, it's non-working day, and after that we say okay. But all what we do in change working time, we say Anwar, it's not reflected to the project. Till now this calendar is not assigned to the project. So how to assign this calendar to the project? From project information you can find calendar. This is a start date for the first task. Calendar, it's standard. No, I will say it's Anwar calendar. Just press OK button. You catch duration is changed for the task, but we can modify it again. We can just say this is 1 day, this is 2 days, this is 3 days. So now this is will be start on Friday, but actually it's non-working day, so it will be ended at 10 of December, which means it's Saturday. You catch what I mean? If we choose this, it started at 10, it will take 2 days, so 10 and 11. If we say this will be start at 15, so it will be ended at 18. See you at the next session.